Hello, I'm going to show you how to create content in Elementor. First, you have to go to the bottom of the page, and here you'll see this little section, and you have to press on the plus button, and you have to choose which layout do you want to create. For example, I will choose this one, and here at the left side of your screen you have this section. Here you can choose the element that you want to put. For example, I will choose an image and I will drag it here. Then I will choose from the library a photo, for example this one, and done. We have added a photo on the main page of our website. And we can also add some text. We want to add a text editor, and here, as you can see, we added some text, and we can edit the text here. You can add text, images, maps, whatever you want and whatever Elementor lets you add. Don't forget to press update after creating an element to save your changes. Thank you.